Okie dokie, so this video on the 93 Honda DelSol SI with a D16 VTEC is going to be the exhaust comparison before and after. Originally I was running what the previous owner installed, which was basically the factory Catback, and then he had a pilot muffler installed, and up front we had an AirMass header, which was in the configuration that went from 4 down to 2 and then joined up with the Cat after that. I had actually taken the Cat off due to some mechanical issues in it not passing emissions, and then it became emissions exempt, so I put the test pipe on it while I was working out its drivability issues, and that is what you'll be hearing, is the car with the test pipe with that whole exhaust setup. Then I switched over to the GodSnow, which is a 2.5-inch catback system that is coupled with the 1320 Performance unequal length header up front with a test pipe. So everything is basically becomes, at the collector coming off the header, it becomes a 2.5 all the way back. Originally I did run a resonator in the muffler, however it basically broke apart. The set screws that held the resonator in, the welds on the bolts within the muffler let go, so no matter what I did, I couldn't keep the resonator in there without it vibrating loose, so I basically just removed it. So the first set of I guess incarnation that you will hear of it with the GodSnow version will be with the resonator, and then I will have it out for the final portion so you can hear with and without the resonator, comparing that to the original. I don't have anything of it driving down the road. Best I had was just it on the dash camera, and that really doesn't do it justice. So there you have it. That's the story, and I'll put that collection together so you can at least hear it a little bit with the current setup. All right, you guys, everything to follow is going to be older videos, so this is the intro for it. All right, y'all, take care.
Pardon my smoke.